Crude oil yesterday respected the levels which I had mentioned yesterday are going to remain a greater support 69.870, failing to stay below this critical support zone we have seen. Crude oil recovering good and now is trading at 71, while it is natural gas which is though has seen the lows at 3.8 but then has recovered sharp all the way towards $4 levels, 3.95 $4 levels. So what to expect now from crude oil and net gas today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Second update will be there before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch the lead. What's happening with crude oil? See the stronger decline what we had seen towards the last trading session, or you can say the last trading session for last week, that is Friday. After this sharp decline, it has started with the support at 70 and now it is trying to retrace. It is looking upwards consistently, but when you look at the body sizes here, the movement is getting smaller. See, the red candles are sharp, the greener candles are very smaller in size, and these are with little strings. One thing is pretty clear, only below 70 now the bears will be active here. Now notice also this is delivering higher highs, higher lows. So possibly once you see it staying below 70.4 today, that is the point of time we can say that you can expect slight bearish. As long as 70.4, 70.6 is not there, we have to be careful, and as long as 70 is not breached, we have to be watchful. Now what's happening here? See, it is trying to rise here, but I can see a bit of struggle at around 71.3 levels and then 71.6. If these two levels are taken, you can say that the bulls are taking over, and specifically above 72 is where slight bullishness to be confirmed. Stochastic at top here, look at the MACD, this is crossed over at the bottom, looking upwards, trading bullish. The RSI is also rising here. Coming to 2 hours, the observation is more or less same. See, good enough consolidation is seen here at 70, and then we have seen this rise, though it is just the convergence, because see, prices were trading with divergence from the 20-50 period moving average. These is converged here, and now we have to wait for it to break beyond 71.3 and 71.6. These are the two key levels which are going to hold the key, because beyond this we can expect 72, and once it breaks past 72 it may show you a complete reversal. When you look at the larger picture, see, we are seeing with every dip a notch lower level. See, 70.4, 70.2, 70, and look at the highs here almost are at par. So I can see, if you connect the dots, it is a slightly moderately sideways channel with moderate bearishness, and now we have to wait for it to take a direction. Very, very important for it to trade above 72, which will confirm its next move all the way towards 73, 73.5, which will also confirm the reversal in crude oil. The stochastic here is overbought. Look at the MACD after hitting the lows. It is trying to rise here, and MACD for the last multiple weeks has always taken the support and has shown a reversal here. So let's wait for this to again break the critical resistances, and then this will confirm a reversal. RSI is oversold, was oversold, and is now coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour, there's similar observation. See, price is trading with divergence. It is now trying to converge. A very critical resistance is available till 72. We have to wait and watch how it behaves there. First of all, whether it approaches there or not. Look at the move here. See, consistently higher lows and higher highs are seen, though the body size is moderate here, but this also confirms that it is on the up move and consistently looking for higher highs. Stochastic here is overbought. Look at the MACD after this sharp dip, it is crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. So, and see, these are the levels from which it shows a reversal, so possibility of a rise exists here. RSI is also rising on the 4 hour charts. When you look at, my only worry point is how it behaves till towards 71.3, 71.6. That should be a good resistance. Whenever you see prices converging here, I will definitely watch out how it behaves till towards the 20 period, and beyond this you can expect it to move all the way towards 72. Beyond 72 anyways, it is to be treated bullish here. The stochastic back to overbought, the MACD convergent here. Wait for this to confirm the crossover and the reversal. The RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart, on the daily chart, see a flat bottom, a reversal sign, one bullish candle closing at the top. When the next candle arrives, and once it trades beyond 71.6, we can see it moving all the way towards 72 and 72.4 levels here. Yes, it can show you a reversal, and if you track the last few movement here, drop retracement, drop, retracement, one bigger bearish candle, then the retracement, second bigger bearish candle, it can retrace. And thus one thing is confirmed, that the prices are just consolidating here and trading in this box, or rather I can say this is a moderate sideways bearish box, but I will trade this as a sideways movement only and waiting for a breakout here. Remember, I've shared several times, 73, 75 are the levels which will confirm, or rather I'll say 73.5, 75 are the levels which will confirm the breakout, the reversal here. Today's candle is going to be a decisive factor in that. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD has flattened at bottom. Wait for these to cross over, and the RSI is looking upward. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first is where to buy. I will only recommend a buy now at 71.3 levels, where you can expect 71.6, 71.7 as the first target, 72 at the next, and then 72.4, 72.5. If oil breaks past beyond 72.4, 72.5, stay bullish for 73, 73.2, 74, and 75. Anything and everything is possible. If it can drop sharp, it can correct again sharply. On the downside now, though ideally the selling entries has to be below 70, but that is far below, so I will recommend you to sell here at 70.6, expect 70.3 and 70 as the two support levels, and if it trades below 70, you can expect the price to move all the way towards 69.3. And till 69.3, I will not be bearish in oil. Below 69.3, there is no looking back as well. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas on the hourly charts. Look at the movement here. See what has happened. We have seen a gap down opening, and since the gap down opening, we have seen first dip, then the retracement, and it appears that it is going to trade in this box. Very, very important to note that below 3.9 and 3.88, the next support levels are far below, all the way towards 3.8. 3.8 is a very critical support for net gas here. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence. These are trading, and now we have seen the resistance also from the same zone at around 4, 4.02. Very critical for net gas to break beyond 4 and 4.02 in order to confirm a reversal. The stochastic has come to an oversold levels, while the MACD is also trading at the bottom on the hourly charts. When you look at the 2 hour charts, the RSI has dropped. 1 hour charts, the RSI has dropped here, and when you see the 2 hour charts, see the moving averages have now started to cross over. Notice the formation, it is retraced towards $4 levels and now reversing. So possibility exists that we may see prices again in 3.9, 3.88, and if at all it breaks below this, you can expect the next targets to be all the way towards 3.8, which is the next strongest support here. Stochastic looking down, MACD already at bottom, and the RSI has also dropped significantly. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. On the 3 hour chart, see retracement, and now it is trying to look downwards. If you see it is staying below 3.93, you can take a sell, expect 3.9, 3.88. And once net gas comes out of 3.9, 3.88 zone, the next targets are towards 3.84 and 3.8. Possibility is there that it can try to retrace further before reversing. Notice the last few movements. Whenever it tries to show a rise, it offsets with a retracement. This time the rise is extremely big, so the retracement can be big enough. The support levels in and around 3.8, 3.6 are going to remain stronger. Yes, this zone is going to provide a very good support here for net gas, even if it tries to move towards this zone. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI is looking downwards. And on the 4 hour charts, the observation is similar. The 20 period provided it a resistance, price is trying to reverse. If you see it is staying below 3.93, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 3.9, which should be a good support, 3.9, 3.88 zone, and below that a good correction could be expected. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI has also dropped significantly. Coming to on the daily charts, notice a gap down opening, two candles in red with lower highs. Current candle closing with more than half, the body size is more than half of this complete move or leaving the wick. less than the body size. This suggests that bearishness is still prevailing here, and thus wait for the next candle once it starts to trade on the downside. Any move below 3.9, 3.88. Now see, these are definitely good support levels, and now below this you can expect it to move all the way towards 3.8, 3.78. And if that is taken, I think we are ready for again a round of correction. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD was trading with extreme divergence. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, and it is still having room for an up move. RSI has dropped. So considering this, see, first is where to buy. I will recommend a buying entry at 3.98, where you can expect 4.02, 4.05 as the first target zone. Very, very strong support. Resistance exists in and around these levels. If it breaks beyond 4.05, is stay bullish for 4.1. And if 4.1 is taken, I think this is a reversal where we are, or we can expect 4.2, 4.4 levels again. While on the downside today, the selling entry is recommended if you see the higher price below 3.930. Below this, you can expect 3.9, 3.88 at the first target, 3.84 at the next, and then 3.8. Below 3.8 is where we can see more bearishness prevailing, 3.77, or rather 3.777, and then 3.75 here. So below 3.75, just stay short. I do not see such a stronger move on the downside, but yes, we have seen very, very strong moves on the upside. So yes, the down move could be swift as well. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.